Hey guys, this is a separate video just to show what the bass is like, and with a few different boxes. So this is what the sound is like directly, let's get that in focus, on the N9 itself. This is max volume. Give that a pause. Now listen to that again. With a pocket boom on an Amazon box. Doesn't have to be an Amazon box, just any cardboard box. All that bass is just coming from that tiny thing there. Let's try another track. Switch it off, like so.
Get back into stereo.
That's sticking to the printer box underneath the Amazon box. So it's a bit clearer on the bigger box, right? Let's compare that with the other track that we had originally. So it's pretty good, right? If you think about it, you might want to go to the park, have a good set of speakers, but all you have to carry is a cardboard box that's just rubbish anyway, and this little pocket boom. And you've got this kind of really loud, really good sounding music, decent bass, well actually not more than decent bass actually, considering top. So it's just stuck on the side. There's the pocket boom. Change up the quality of the sound. Try another track. help to have an empty box. This box has a few rubbish inside from the speaker, from the printer. So it's rumbling what's inside there too. So this is what it sounds like on the phone.
Forgive me, baby, for the things I've forgotten. I'll never be in your magazine.
Let's try the box of the TV. This is all still coming from the pocket boom. Might not be as loud now because the TV box is quite far away. So guys, that was the Pocket Boom. Pretty awesome little speaker. And then for something that small to produce sound that big, the name is quite fitting. Really great speaker. So turning this way to just to wrap it all back up. Pop it down like so. That was the Pocket Boom. Thanks for watching, guys.